Hello to everyone. My name is Yasmin from NGC Legal. Today I would like to inform you about opening a bank account in Turkey. Understanding the Turkish banking system. Turkey's financial landscape is a robust network of both domestic and international banks. At the top of the list, you'll find Ziraat Bankası, İş Bankası, and Guarantee BBVA, offering a comprehensive suite of services from everyday banking to investments. To open a bank account in Turkey, you need to meet certain prerequisites. Most banks require applicants to be at least 18 years old and have a valid residence permit. However, these requirements can vary, so it's best to confirm with your bank of choice. Standard documentation is typically required when opening an account. However, the specifics of the account opening process can vary between different banks. Understanding bank account types in Turkey. When it comes to opening a bank account in Turkey, it's important to familiarize yourself with the different account types available. Turkish banks typically offer various options tailored to meet different needs. The most common types of bank accounts in Turkey include current accounts. A current account is a basic bank account that allows you to perform day-to-day transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and fund transfers. It also provides access to features like debit cards and online banking facilities, making it a convenient choice for everyday banking needs. Savings accounts. Savings accounts in Turkey are designed to help you save money and earn interest on your deposits. These accounts often offer competitive interest rates and flexible withdrawal options. They can be an excellent choice for individuals looking to grow their savings while having easy access to their funds. Foreign currency accounts. If you frequently deal with foreign currencies, a foreign currency account can be a valuable addition to your banking portfolio. These accounts allow you to hold and transact in different currencies, such as US dollars or euros, providing flexibility for international transactions. Why choose Turkey for your banking needs? Turkey is a thriving country, boasting a burgeoning economy and a strategic location that serves as a gateway between Europe and Asia. Central to this vibrant economic landscape is its advanced banking system, characterized by a robust regulatory framework, efficient services, and widespread digital accessibility. The Turkish banking sector, meticulously designed to meet the needs of both local residents and international immigrants, offers a variety of services that facilitate seamless financial transactions. For immigrants, the prospect of opening a bank account in Turkey presents a pathway to numerous benefits. These include access to an array of financial services tailored to meet the needs of individuals, businesses, and investors alike. The strategic advantage of Turkey's geographical position, combined with its growing economy, makes it a compelling choice for banking. Here's why choosing Turkey for your banking needs can be a beneficial decision. Economic stability. Turkey's economy has demonstrated resilience and stability over the years, attracting foreign investors and fostering a favorable business environment. Competitive interest rates. Turkish banks offer attractive interest rates on deposits, providing opportunities for individuals and businesses to grow their savings. Convenient banking services. With a vast network of branches and advanced digital banking solutions, Turkish banks provide easy access to banking services and ensure a seamless banking experience. International transactions. Turkey's well-developed banking system facilitates international transactions, making it convenient for foreign nationals and investors to manage their finances. Key considerations when opening a bank account in Turkey. Types of bank accounts. Turkish banks offer a variety of accounts, including current accounts, savings accounts, and foreign currency accounts. Choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals. Banking fees. Be aware of any banking fees associated with your account. These could include maintenance fees, withdrawal fees, and international transfer fees. Online and mobile banking. Most Turkish banks offer comprehensive online and mobile banking services. These platforms allow you to perform a wide range of transactions without visiting the bank. Essential documents when opening a bank account in Turkey. When you're ready to open your bank account, make sure you have the necessary documents handy. Here's a general list to guide you. Valid passport. Your passport is a critical piece of identification for any international transactions. Turkish tax number. This is a unique identifier for tax purposes. You can acquire this from the local tax office. Proof of address. This could be a utility bill or a rental agreement. Application form. This is provided by the bank and must be filled out in its entirety. Remember, each bank may have its nuances, so it's always a good idea to call ahead and confirm the required documentation. benefits of opening a bank account in Turkey. When you open a bank account in Turkey, you unlock several benefits that can make your stay in the country more comfortable and financially secure. Easy access to funds. A local bank account makes it easy for you to access your funds anytime, anywhere. You can conveniently use ATMs, debit cards, or online banking for your transactions. Streamlined bill payments. With a Turkish bank account, you can set up automatic payments for your utilities, rent, or even credit card bills. This can save you considerable time and effort. Facilitate receiving payments. A local bank account is almost essential if you're working in Turkey. It will facilitate your salary payments and make the process smoother and more efficient. Foreign currency accounts. Most Turkish banks offer foreign currency accounts. These can be advantageous if you frequently deal with foreign currencies, as they can help mitigate exchange rate risks. Internet and mobile banking. Turkish banks offer comprehensive digital banking solutions. These allow you to monitor your account, transfer money, pay bills, and even apply for bank products from the comfort of your home. Step-by-step guide to opening a bank account in Turkey. We understand the importance of having a reliable and efficient banking system to support your financial needs. Whether you are a foreign national, an expatriate, or an international investor, this guide will provide valuable insights and step-by-step instructions to successfully open a bank account in Turkey. Step 1. Choose the right bank. The first step towards opening a bank account in Turkey is to select a bank that aligns with your needs and preferences. Consider factors such as reputation, services offered, fees, and customer reviews. Step 2. Gather the required documentation. To comply with banking regulations in Turkey, you will need to gather the necessary documentation before proceeding with your account opening. Step 3. Visit the bank. Once you have chosen the bank and gathered the required documentation, visit the nearest branch of your chosen bank. Request an appointment or check if walk-in visits are allowed. It's advisable to bring an interpreter if you are not fluent in Turkish to ensure clear communication. Step 4. Complete the application form. At the bank, you will be provided with an account application form. Fill in the required information accurately and completely. The form typically asks for personal details, contact information, and employment information. Take your time to review the form before submitting it. Step 5. Deposit funds. Most banks in Turkey require an initial deposit to open a bank account. The minimum deposit amount may vary depending on the bank and the type of account you choose. Ensure that you have the required funds ready to complete the account opening process. Step 6. Additional services and products. During your visit to the bank representative may introduce you to additional services and products that can enhance your banking experience. These may include debit or credit cards, internet banking, or investment opportunities. Evaluate the options carefully and choose the ones that align with your financial goals. Step 7. Receive your account details. Once your application is processed and your account is opened, the bank will provide you with your account details, including your account number and any associated cards or login credentials. Keep this information secure and accessible for future reference. Step 8. Utilize online banking. Many Turkish banks offer robust online banking platforms that provide convenient access to your accounts and a wide range of banking services. Take advantage of online banking too. Check your account balance and transaction history. Transfer funds between accounts. Pay bills and utilities. Set up automatic payments. Monitor and manage your investments. Apply for additional banking products or services. Online banking provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to manage your finances anytime and anywhere. Step 9. Understand banking fees and charges. It is important to familiarize yourself with the fees and charges associated with your bank account in Turkey. Different banks may have varying fee structures for services such as monthly account maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, foreign currency exchange fees, international wire transfer fees, overdraft fees, if applicable. Review the fee schedule provided by your bank to understand the costs associated with your banking activities and plan your finances accordingly. Step 10. Explore additional services. Turkish banks offer a range of additional services that can further enhance your banking experience. Some of these services include loans and credit facilities. Banks in Turkey provide various loan options, including personal loans, home loans, and business loans. Explore these options if you require financial assistance. Investment opportunities. Consider exploring investment products offered by Turkish banks, such as mutual funds, stocks, and government bonds, to grow your wealth. Insurance products. Protect your assets and secure your future with insurance policies offered by banks, including life insurance, property insurance, and health insurance. Turkish banking for business people and investors. Turkey presents a fantastic opportunity for international businesspersons. The country offers advantages such as a global market network, a robust economy, modern infrastructure and transportation systems, and a highly competent workforce. To establish a business in Turkey, one must be aware that a functioning bank account is essential for conducting transactions. Individuals are also allowed to open personal bank accounts in Turkey, given they satisfy the conditions set by their selected financial institution. Opening a business in a Turkish-free zone can offer entrepreneurs tax advantages. Incorporating a business in Turkey is a straightforward process. Once the company registration is completed, foreign business individuals can promptly commence their operations. If you need more information about opening a bank account in Turkey, you can visit our website or you can call us. See you again. Best regards.